Slow down on that one. Now, folks, I think you probably figured out by now, I don't have to do much to get him amped up. He is a totally over-the-top dog. And here's the thing. I have to put stuff in the show to slow him down and get him to focus. These next 4 tricks are not going to happen, I can tell you, because of this wind.
Hey.
We're going to try it now. Here it comes.
Hey, we're going to go over here and sit at the pig race and get a good seat so we can watch them next, okay? And then y'all come over there.
Can I take a picture with the dog?
I'm praying, that's all. Here we go.
I don't know. It'll probably be a bunch of kids, but we're going to go.
Yes! Now, ladies, check this out. I am 60 years old, and I still got enough of my butt back there to throw this. Get back here. He's like, this is so embarrassing, Dad. Why do you do this to me?
Okay.
I can still throw a Frisbee with my butt. Here it comes. You ready? Hey. Yes! Woo! Now, folks, this is probably not going to happen, but we're going to try it for you anyhow. I'm going to ask Mr. Bones to do a back ball. I'm going to ask you to aim your cameras for about 10 feet above my head. Now, here's what's going to be cool about it. I'm just not going to throw a Frisbee up there like that. I'm actually going to throw that elusive butterfly and see if you can catch it. Folks, I doubt if it's going to happen in this wind, but we have to at least try it. So hold on. Wait. Go! No, too low. Folks, I'm trying to keep him low. I don't want him to go too high on this. This wind is dangerous when he's up that high. One more time, buddy. Wait. Go! Yes! Go get it! Go through, buddy. Come on, hey! Yes! Go! He came out with it. That's all I care about. Woo! All right, folks. This is the problem we're having. The heat is making the tape not stick. So the carpet between the dogs and the wind, it is coming up on us. Okay, now we're going to ask Mr. Bones to go back to the sky again. Bring it in and drop. Thank you. Wait right there. Stay. Go. Up. Bring it up. Wait. Ready. Go. You cheated. Go around. Go. Hey. Yo. Hey. Good boy. Yes. All right. Folks, I think you have to agree that up until now, I've had to do all the work in the show out here, right? Come on, right? All he's doing is catching Frisbees. I gotta throw them, I gotta pick them up, I gotta keep you entertained. So you know what? I'm gonna walk over here, I'm gonna sit my old butt down, and I'm gonna take a break, and I'm gonna ask him to earn the milk bones. Drop. Now wait. You ready? Go. Upside down, let's go. Let's go. Hey! Too late. Folks, one more time. I'm going to give him a chance on this to finish up. That wind is making it tough for me to judge, and I threw that one too late for him. So here we go. Finishing it up right here. Come on, buddy. Stop and drop. Go to the house. Go around. Go. Hey! There was so much spin on that, it popped out of his mouth. That was wrong, dude. I can't throw that hard. You know it. Go. Hey! There you go. Come on. Hey! Hey! Go! Go! Folks, that's Mr. Bones. Come on, put your hands together for him. Bones, go! He's going to the house. Folks, one more time for Mr. Bones. Come on, put your hands together for him. Folks, real quick, if you've enjoyed the show, in spite of the carpet, in spite of the wind, do us a favor. This is the best part right here. First of all, from Marina and Jolie, all the way from Italy. From Mark
Sherry, they went to go pick a seat for the pig race.
Folks, all of our dogs are in this air-conditioned trailer. When they're in the motor, they can hear you.